Hi, teachers. The next step after the students will take the practice for the teacher is going to be checking the reports. So, once the students have taken the practice, the teacher will go here on the left hand side, click on the reports tab, and then this page will appear. We have in the beginning VXL practice by subtopic. By clicking on that, we'll get a summary of all the students who have practiced the chapters subtopic on that particular day. So if we can see on the right hand side, we have average number of questions attempted, the class average, and the number of students attempted of this particular subtopic in this particular chapter in this particular subject of this grade students. And if the teacher thinks the teacher needs a detailed report of every particular student, then the teacher will click on VXL practice by subtopic detail view. So 8th grade section 8A Saiteja student under mathematics under this chapter in introduction have attempted these many questions, scored these many marks and the total marks and the percentage. This is how the teacher will assess every student's performance on a day-to-day basis. Thank you.